2018. I want you to check that out. Check it out right now. So here we are, 2018, start of a new year. A lot happened this year. I got married to Emma in Vegas. This is Park City, Main Street. Had a little honeymoon in Park City, Utah, and another honeymoon in Lake Tahoe. And it's actually kind of a special place because this is where I asked her to be my wife. Thanks, Tahoe. Then we drove down to Napa Valley to play a birthday party for this guy.
Cheers to Danny Black!
A long flight back to Australia. Brisbane, Australia. Immediately hopped on a cruise sailing down to Hobart, Tasmania to meet up with Mark Ensby. And it's summertime. It is snowing up here in Tasmania.
4 seasons in one day.
And then traveled up to the Sunshine Coast to get a new toy. Here it is, the Mavic Air. And flew back down to Sydney. Got back in the Pacific Explorer and went to some cool Pacific islands like Isle of Pines. And made some real fun videos on the ship.
That's the way it's gonna be. I watch your vlog. I always watch your vlog.
So here we are on a sea day, and we want to do all of the fun stuff there is to do. I'm king of the world! If you are hungry and you like your food, this is Piano has actually hired Emma and I together as a duo on the ships. Finally passed over 2,500 subscribers, and I know that you guys are supporting me, so thank you so much for doing that. I kept on the cruise ships playing music and making more videos.
About 10,000 plates a day. 10,000, yeah.
And flew down to Melbourne. Melbourne. Played a fun birthday party.
It's the next day.
Relaxed in Mornington. And go to an AFL game. Learned the rules to AFL from Jay Boston. So far, it's been a lot of fun. Spent some time on the Great Ocean Road, and it was beautiful. What do you want for dinner?
Pizza.
Took a flight to New Zealand. Auckland, New Zealand. Made some videos on the Pacific Jewel. Emma did her thing, I did my thing. Then back to Melbourne.
I got that on camera.
This is cool. This is like my first abandoned building in Australia. Took a road trip through Bateman's Bay and Coldbara Beach with Ben on. Where is Danny Black? He's right here! Ben on.
Taking these guys to Gosang's Tunnel.
Hung out with James Buster. Tell a good yoke. Got on more cruise ships. So here we are in the Pacific Eden. All right, so we're here in Brisbane on the Aria, and we're about to do a sail away. Played around with the GoPro Fusion. Did a crazy live stream on Piano's Facebook page. Went up to Whitsundays to make some content for this boat. And then played on the beautiful Whitehaven Beach. Had an epic adventure on this boat and this boat. And yeah, Whitsundays is awesome. Did a not Elvis cruise. I love Danny Black. That's me. Oh, so many things to talk about. It is a beautiful day, and we are here at Circular Quay, which is like the best port. Got to experience Sydney Vivid. And I need to mention that all of these videos are linked in the description. So starting in July, I'm creating a thing called July. Thumbnail. So my challenge?
I found him!
Is to go live every day in July. And I completed that challenge. Different live streams every day, and some were insane. Flew back to the States to be part of the Oregon Jamboree.
Please welcome Danny Black.
And then spent a full week in this beautiful state. How fortunate is it that these guys let us stay here for 2 nights? Long drive and long flight back to Australia to play in the snow. I'm gonna take you guys on a real fun adventure this week and show you what it's like in Australia in the snow. And just more travel. So here I am on a ship, sailing away from Auckland. did a 12-hour-long live stream with CreatorCast.
We've been here the whole freaking time.
Yeah, and I'm back in Brisbane, and man, it's actually getting hot. And back to Sydney. Sydney, look where I'm at. Did some more live streams and went back up to Brisbane to get on the Pacific Jewel, favorite spot on the ship, which took me to a place I've never been. And I got to cross the Great Barrier Reef off of my bucket list. It's Tech Tuesday.
So what's the range on that thing?
Not only did I make travel videos, I also made some tech videos throughout the year. Inexpensive microphone, it just goes right on the hot shoe just like this. I'm about to go live on this guy right here. I'm not a big enough channel to get sponsored, so this is not sponsored. And even tips on editing and making content. Miss Streamber!
It's Christmas time!
And more live streams and ship videos. You aren't growing on YouTube. The YouTube is actually growing you. And hit a huge milestone at the end of the year. 5,000 subscribers on YouTube! Okay. There we go, we're back! It is New Year's Eve in the Connections Bar, and they're counting it down for us. This is Jasper, by the way.
Okay, how you doing?
And the year ended just the way it began, full of fun and promise of another year of new adventures. Thanks for watching and being part of this awesome year. Hit that subscribe button and join me for the next year of videos. Also, subscribe to my live stream channel. Check in the description for links. And if you want to see another video, watch this one right here.